Okay, so this is the second video of Revit. Suppose first go to the new option, then browse, then suppose in the template you can choose template India and then default metric open. So now this one is okay. So created here one template, created here one template. Then go to the wall, door, window already completed. Okay, so today we'll cover roof, ceiling, floor, okay, column, component, everything. So first create one wall. So this is the wall 200 and 8000 is the distance by default. So we can choose here, this one is 4000 and suppose create here one rectangle. Then you can create here this type of line, this one, okay, select this one or select this one. Okay, this is the inner wall. Okay, inner wall you can create also by duplicate. So suppose choose here how to create duplicate. So go to the wall option and then go to the edit type. Okay, and then choose here duplicate. Suppose this one is 125 wall. Okay, give it name here. I already told that in the previous class. So this one is edit, go to edit and then thickness, this one is 125, that is the thickness, and then okay. So now create here okay. Okay, so now this one is inner wall is 125 now. Okay, so after that this one is now level 1. In the level 1 go to the east option. So level 1 to level 2 is the distance is 4000, means 4 meter. So go to the level 1 and then suppose create here floor. Okay, floor architecture. So suppose floor architecture we can create rectangle. Suppose choose rectangle and suppose here give offset value. So suppose offset value is 500. Okay, and then suppose choose here and click here and click here. So you just look at it here. I will click here but this one is 500 already offset. Okay, so now this one is offset and then write it. Okay, so now this one is right. Okay, so right and then go to the isometric view. So that is the realistic view, so that is offset. Okay, so that is the main thing which is floor created here. We can create also floor by line by line. Okay, suppose choose delete here, go to the level 1. We can select suppose floor architecture by line you can create. Okay, this one is chain is on here. If you choose offset or you can create by line. Okay, suppose look like this. Okay, this one. Okay, and then we can create here suppose this type of arc. Okay, this type of arc. Suppose click here and click here and here, click here. Okay, and then write it. So now this one is look like this. So this type of floor we can create by this one. Okay, so that is the floor. Okay, so next in the level 2 we can create roof. Okay, so go to the roof option, then roof by footprint. Okay, there away another option is define slope. Here if it is define slope is on, suppose select this rectangle and suppose choose here. Okay, then select this rectangle, give the offset value. Suppose this one is 500. Suppose choose here and choose here. So now this one is 500 offset. So define slope is on and then write it. Okay, and yes. So now this one is right. Then isometric. So now this one is define slope is on here. So this one is look like this. So that is the with slope roof. So suppose if you select here, so now this one is 30-degree angle. Okay, you can control the angle from here. Suppose this one is 20, so now this one is 20-degree angle. Okay, so now this one is 20-degree angle. Then delete this one. So now this one is deleted. Then go to the level 2 and then also roof just off slope. and then go to the rectangle, then offset 500. Okay, then suppose select this one and select that one. Okay, and then write it. Yes, so now this one is offset. Okay, so that is plain roof we can create. Okay, that is plain roof we can create by this offset. Okay, then go to the level 2 and you can create in the roof, suppose railing. So go to the railing option and sketch path. Okay, sketch path, suppose select this one. Okay, select that one. Here select this one and this one. Okay, and then suppose this one is chain is on here, and write it, and then isometric. So now this one is uh, created here. Okay, this railing created here, both are starting from the level 2. So this is the thickness, that is 400. Okay, and suppose this one is the thickness, that is this one also, height is 1100. So 400 already insert in the roof, so that is material wastage. Okay, so suppose select this one. Okay, suppose select this one and then go to the base offset. Suppose I'll give it here, suppose 380. So now only 20 millimeter insert on that portion. Okay, so that is 20 millimeter insert on that portion. So that is called railing. Okay, we can create railing here. Next we'll delete this one and also delete this one. Okay, then go to the ceiling option. So go to the level 1 and then suppose here ceiling, go to ceiling. Okay, so there are two types of ceiling. First one is automatic ceiling and then this one is case ceiling. So suppose this one is 2600. Okay, this one is 2600. So suppose 2600 offset from the level 1. Okay, means which level you selected. Okay, so suppose this one is automatic ceiling, just click it here. So now this one is created automatic ceiling. Okay, here. And in case of case ceiling, suppose click here, and suppose select this one. Okay, this one, and this one. Okay, so that is the closed object, and write it, and then go to the isometric view. So now this one is look like this. Okay, so that is the total means automatic ceiling, and this one is case ceiling. So suppose choose here, this one is 2600, so give it here 3000. So now this one is offset from the level, this one is 3000 is the offset. Okay, so that is called ceiling. Okay, next we can create in the level 1. Go to the level 1 and place component. Okay, place component. Suppose select here, suppose by default desk is there. Okay, desk. So similar procedure, go to the load family and here go to the desktop option. In the desktop there have a library. Okay, library, this one is pre downloaded. Okay, आपको पहले से डाउनलोड करना चाहिए. Okay, then go to the India, then suppose here furniture. Okay, then suppose bed. So now this one is bed, calling this bed, and now this one is look like this. Okay, next is go to the edit type, load. Here go to the desktop option, library, India, and then go to the furniture and table. Okay, suppose select this one. Okay, so now this is the table. Okay, so that is the table option. Then go to here isometric. So now this one is look like this. Okay, so suppose select this one and then go to the edit type. You can change as per your requirement after calling. Okay, suppose give it here 6 and suppose diameter is 1200. So now chair will be 6 and table will be much bigger than the previous one. Okay, also you can go to level 1. Okay, so suppose select this one, you can change as per your dimension here. Okay, so that is the calling from place a component. Okay, so that is place a component. You can call everything. Sorry. Okay, next one is column. Column, for column we can create, suppose this one is default metric, open here. Okay, then suppose grid. Okay, select this one, then escape. Also offset value, suppose 500. Sorry, not 500, suppose give it here 8000. Okay, so select first point in the left side, second point is the right side, so this one is created in the upper portion. If you select first point in the right side, second point in the left side, so this one is created in the lower portion. Okay, similar, just escape first point and second point, then escape first point and second point, then escape first point and second point. Okay, then also just first point and second point. This one is look like this, escape, then also first point and second point, escape. Okay, first point and second point, escape. Okay, this one is look like this. Okay, then go to the option here, column. Okay, that is architectural column, not structure. Go to the architectural column, and now this one is 475 and 610 given, already given, that is rectangular column. Okay, so now suppose this one is the height. Okay, height means, suppose if you create from the level 1, so this one is going to and the upper side means the level 2. Okay, if you choose here depth, so this one is going to the downward. Okay, downward from the level 1, this one is going to the downward. And if you choose height, so this one is going to the upper side. Okay, so now choose here, just click here. Okay, click here, click here. This one is look like this. Okay. Eh, okay, next is this one is rectangle column created here. And then you can choose, suppose isometric view. Okay, suppose this one is the isometric view. If you choose here column, suppose vertical and horizontal both are highlighted, so now this one is now symmetrical. Okay, both are is highlighted, so now this one is symmetrical. Clear? Okay, and then cancel, and then isometric, so now this one is look like this. Okay, so from the east view, go to the east, so this one is level 1 to level 2, means 0 to 4000. Okay, this one is created. Clear? So now this one is isometric, so if you select this, uh, go to the east option, and then how to increase the length of the column. Okay, then go to the level 1, means level. So now create here offset, by offset, this one is 4000. Similar procedure, just like a grid. Okay, so suppose select this one and this point, so first point and second point, also select first point and second point, escape. Also select first point and second point, escape. Okay, this one is look like this. Okay, hey, now isometric, then also select this column. Okay, column, and now base level is level 1 and top level is level 2. Then suppose choose here. Okay, suppose give it here 6, so this column going to up to level 6. Okay, if you select this one, go to level 2 and suppose level 5, so now this one is going up to level 5. Okay, so as per the requirement, you just choose and edit the level, and this one is already coming here. Okay, so that is called uh, column. Okay, so column, roof, ceiling, floor, and railing already done. Okay, so next is curtain system. Okay, so after that, means next class will cover curtain wall, curtain grid, mullion, everything. Okay. So everyone practice up to that. Okay.